Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald and I post ballet and fitness related videos every single week. I have chosen to add wrist weights as an extra challenge, but you don't have to use them. This is a no equipment workout. Let's begin by warming up our shoulders, lifting our shoulders up and around. Let's make some circles. Let's do that 8 times.
Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? I just wanna know.
Put your hands on your shoulders, lift your elbows up and around 4 times, going back, and then we're going to reverse.
For a minute. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? I just wanna know.
Let's do circles with the right arm for 4, and 3,
Why, baby, why?
and 2,
Baby, why? Why,
and 1. Then we reverse, going back and forth for 4, 3, 2, and let's do the same with the left arm, lifting it up and over for 4, 3, making big wide circles, 2, 1, and reverse for 4,
Did
3,
you feel it? Did you ever feel it?
2, and last one. Beautiful. Go ahead and take both arms open to a second position. A ballet second means that our arms are nice and round and our palms are facing the front. Let's do little port de bras going into first and second. Do a few more.
You got me wrong and I got you wrong. Baby, you got me wrong and I got you wrong. Baby, you got me wrong and I got
Open your arms to second and keep them there. And let's do 8 circles for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We're going to reverse and do 10. Let's reverse the circles for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay with me. We bring the arms into first and open. Keep going. First and open.
Did you feel it? Did you really feel it? You said you felt it. You were in it. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? I just wanna know. You got me wrong and I got you wrong.
Let's do those 10 circles again and then reverse.
Baby, why? I just wanna know. Baby. Baby, please. Please listen to me. Please listen to me.
Beautiful. Relax your arms down, tilt your head side to side just to relieve any tension you might have from your head and your neck. And let's go ahead and get started in a tabletop position. Tuck the toes under. You're going to lift the shins off the floor, lift your hips off the floor into your downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the heels up. Exhale, lower down. Let's do that again. Inhale, lift the heels. This time we're going to lower the shins to a bear hold. Again, inhale, lift the hips. Exhale, lower the heels down into your down dog. Lift the heels in the inhale. Exhale, shift forward to a bear hold. Inhale, lift the hips up. Exhale, lower the heels. Do that a few more times. Beautiful. Last one. Find your bear hold. Lower the knees down, untuck the toes, sit back to stretch out your arms for a second if you need. And then let's shift forward as we do 10 push ups with our knees on the floor. Nice and slow and controlled. Keep going. Take a breather, take your time, and try to do 10 if you can. And finishing the last one, let's sit our hips back into a child's pose and just relax your arms down by our side here for a few breaths. Go ahead and place your hands by your side and roll up. For our second half of this workout, we take our arms straight to the side and we're going to pulse our arms down and up for 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Palms up for 20. Pulses with your palms back for 20. Flip the palms forward, 20 pulses going forward. You got this, palms down for 20. Flip the palms up, 20 going up. Twenty with your palms back. 20 with your palms forward. You've got this. We're almost there, guys. Okay, next one, palms start down. And then as we flip our palms up, we bring the elbows in and out, in and out, in and out. Almost there. Keep going. 5, 4, you've got this. 3, so close. 2, 1. Let's do a few more. 3, 2, 1. If you've got it, keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Beautiful, guys. We made it. Place your palms on your thighs, take a well-deserved stretch, and let's take our left arm across our body to stretch out the outside of our arm. On the next inhale, bring the left elbow above your head and take a side bend on the exhale. And let's repeat to the second side. Bring the right arm across your body. Inhale. Exhale. Lift the elbow above your head. Take a nice side bend. Exhale. Beautiful. Go ahead and find another tabletop position on the exhale. Bring your chin to your chest. Look at your navel in a cat. Inhale into a cow. Let your belly fall. Find a neutral spine on the next inhale. Reach your arm up towards the sky. Exhale, thread it between your left elbow and your left knee and bring your shoulder to the floor. Option to twist your spine and bring your left hand behind your back. Maybe let that elbow fall on your lower back to stretch your shoulder a little bit more. Great. Let's place the left hand on the floor. Inhale, lift the right arm to the sky. Exhale, put it down. Let's do the same thing second side. Lift the left arm as you inhale. Exhale, thread it between your palm and your right knee. And let's just feel the stretch here. Option to put your hand behind your back again. Beautiful. Place your right hand flat on the floor. Inhale, let's lift the left hand up towards the sky. Place it down into your tabletop. And guys, we've made it to the end. If you'd like to finish here, you're more than welcome to, but I'm going to challenge you to do 30 seconds of swan arms. I'm taking my weights off for this. I know you're feeling nice and strong, so let's let our arms be a little bit more loose here, just feeling the flow. So find a comfortable seated position or standing position, and let's do 20 seconds of swan arms. I lied, it's 30 seconds. Just take your time here. Enjoy the port de bras, enjoy the feeling, enjoy your breath with the movement. Keep going. Beautiful. On the next inhale, let's lift our arms up, clasp our hands together at the top. Exhale, take a side bend, bend forward, creating a circular motion. Come to the other side, reaching up. Exhale down. Let's do that again. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, take a nice deep side bend to the right, chin to chest, forward, to the left, and up and around. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this 10-minute arm workout. I know I did, and I am definitely sore the next day, so I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment what you want to see next.